Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Toyota Corolla. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and an oil drain pan. Make sure you have about 4 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug crush washer. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and efficient. This simple preparation saves time and prevents interruptions. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely lift the front of your Corolla using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Place your oil drain pan directly under the oil pan. Use your 14mm wrench to loosen and remove the drain plug. Be careful, as the oil will be warm and will flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Be ready for a small amount of oil to drip out. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter before screwing it on. Hand tighten it until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Replace the drain plug with a new crush washer. Now, carefully pour about 4 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's fill port. After adding the new oil, lower your car and start the engine. Let it run for a minute or two, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary to reach the full mark. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly at a local auto parts store. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keeping up with regular oil changes is crucial for your engine's longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.